If you're looking for brown boots with heel for women, this video is for you. My name is Brian, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time, you can click this circle in the corner and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Number 1, Most Popular, by Guilty Shoes. Watch this video. Choose your favorite. Number 2, by Limelight. Number 3, by Breckelles. Get your favorite brown boots with heel for women now. Just click this circle in the corner. Number 4, by Dream Pairs. Number 5, by Top Moda. For more great related products, full details and online deals, just click the circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.